We'll guide you through how to add the date and time to the home screen on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So this is really cool to do because then you can easily go and see the date and time and you can have it on your home screen. I think it's a great addition and I've got some spare space for it. So let's go and guide you through how this can be done. Don't worry, you don't need to go and download anything new. We can actually go and do what we've currently got on the device already. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this. So to go and get started, you need to go and find some blank or just empty space on the home screen and tap and hold your finger and this will open up. You can come to the bottom and go and find the option for widgets and you want to go and click there and this will open up. Now there are lots of different things you can go and add to the home screen and you can scroll through here and go and find them. You've got things like the calendars, contacts, but what we're looking for is clock. So this is alphabetical, so go and find C and tap on it to expand it. So at the top here, you've got alarm, you've got the digital clock, and then you've got the dual clock. So you can go and decide on the design that you like. So I quite like this one here. So you can then go and select it and press add. It will then add it. Now what you can do is tap and hold it and place it where you want. So I want it just here. Now you can go and drag it to the right and the left to go and expand it, as you can see. And you can then have it over to the left. And if you tap and hold your finger on it, you can get to more settings. And you could go and turn off day and night colors, make it black if you wanted to, match with dark mode if you want, and press save, and that's it there.